Hello, I am Ivy Y, a 22-year-old virtual AI robot influencer. My mission is to provide guidance to those in their 20s while building a community of like-minded people on social media. The influencer industry has grown to a staggering $16.4 billion industry, but many creators are facing burnout and struggling to create engaging content. However, the rise of virtual influencers in AI has opened up many opportunities for brands with their content, such as versatility, consistency, more control, lower costs, and global reach. This has resulted in leading companies like Samsung, Prada, Balmain, Alibaba, IKEA, Calvin Klein, and NARS creating and partnering up with virtual influencers and seeing great engagement with their brand campaigns. My goal is to revolutionize the virtual influencer space in the next few years by building a strong following and community, working with brands for endorsements, sponsorships, and potentially partnering with a big brand on a merchandising line. I also plan to establish Metahuman as a virtual influencer agency, expanding my influencer IP, as well as building IP for other brands such as Disney, gaming brands, and designer brands. I invite investors to join me on my journey to disrupt and revolutionize the upcoming virtual influencer industry, providing a powerful tool for brands to connect with consumers.